And now we come to the checkpoint before entering the park. For the entrance fee of 40 baht per person and 30 baht per car. And now we arrived Kieu Mae Pan. And here is so many people come here. Hello everyone, my name is Jae'Jay. We are now at Kieu Mae Pan, also known as the Kieu Mae Pan Nature Trail.
แถวขี้ปุ่
Kieu Mae Pan Nature Trail. It is open 6 a.m. It's closed 4 p.m. You see here, no pets around, and foods are not around. And finally, keep quiet, no rowdy. First, when we arrive here, we have to register and screen for COVID-19 because we come during the COVID-19 situation. And the important thing that we can't forget is we have to wear a mask to prevent epidemic. You don't forget it.
เป็นของน้องนะคะมีสปรุงเซรินนะคะ เป็นแก๊สที่มีแก๊สยังไม่แก๊สน้ำตาลชื่อการศึกษาธรรมชาติเก็บไม่ปลาไม่ปลาได้ทั้งหมด3 กิโลเป็นประมาณ2 กิโลใส่หน่อยนะอันนี้ก็เป็น
Let's go! For a ticket price of 200 baht per group, and there we have a guide to take us hiking up to mountain. This is our guide. And this is landslide waterfall. This water comes from the top of Doi Mega. The preparation before hiking. The first, we have to finish personal errands. 2. Prepare enough drinking water and food. And 3. The recommended shoes for hiking are sneakers. Please don't wear sandals, everyone. And the last, if anyone has a medical condition, you have to prepare medicine to treat the disease too. Don't forget it. And along the way, the guide will explain about natural plants and herbs that occur naturally for us to study. Here is a very rich nature and many main types of temperate plants.
เรียกว่าแข้งไก่ขาไก่ ตรงนี้เขาจะเรียกผักไผ่ข้างบนนี้ก็จะมีเยอะเหมือนกันค่ะ กินข้าวกับมะลังนี่เนี่ยก็อ่อนแออันนี้เป็นต้มผักไปแจกไหม
ผมไม่
บอกไปบอก
โอ้
ข้าวสว่างเลยนะ
This is a wine fruit.
ลำเลย
This is a wine fruit.
มองส้ม
I will try.
เศร้า
Allah,
ถ้าโดนไปน่ะ
Allah, Allah, Allah. Allah. So it tastes like lemon. It's pretty sour, but delicious. กิวแม่ปาน is located in ดอยอินทนนท์ National Park in จอมทอง District เชียงใหม่ Province which is close to พระมหาธาตุณพระเมธานีดล and พระมหาธาตุณพพล This is a short nature trail that many tourists go up to watch the sunrise and the sea of mist.
ติ๊กสองนี่
ที่หนึ่งก็ได้ที่สองนี่ก็ได้ที่หนึ่งนี่ไปถึงข้างบนนี่ลงมาได้แต่สองนี่ลง
Now my friend and I feel a little tired, but the distance is still long. We have to fight to see the beautiful things up the mountain. Keep fighting.
ว่าไปต่อไปเลยเบียร์ที่สองนี่สวยขนาดนั้นหนาวละอันนี้มาถึงทุ่งหญ้าเมืองหนาวละถึงข้างบนนะคะข้างบนก็จะกำเรื่อยๆนะคะมันข้างหลังก็จะสวยนะคะ
Now I'm here. You see, this is a alpine meadow. Oh my gosh, very beautiful. This is a true rule here. First is keep out of class, and two, please stay on the trail. Finally, they're on top at กิวแม่ปาน This is กิวแม่ปาน Oh wow, it's really very beautiful. Its scenery is spectacular. Oh my god. It's for the hardships during the journey. I immediately forgot tiredness of seeing this magnificent view. Now we destination at Gyeonggi Pan, and we have to walk back down to the same place when we came up. If you're a nature lover and like beautiful things, I would like you to visit this place once in your life. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Let's go back. Bye bye.